Check the alignment on U12.
Looks within tolerance, but the pace volume is slightly low.
Adjust the offset by 2 microns on the next run.
Stability confirmed at 40 gigahertz.
Acknowledged. Proceed.
Sequence verified. Nose cone alignment satisfactory. Proceeding to guidance bay. All dimensions verified. Structural inspection passed.
Contact in 3, 2, 1. Secure the forward mounts immediately. Check the laser alignment now.
All stations, this is command. Run systems check, sequence 1.
Radar tracking and missile link verified.
Status nominal.
This battery has passed all quality gates. It is certified for delivery.
Fuel levels confirmed at 100%.
Verified. Checklist item 4 complete.
Final systems check passed. Ready for transit.
Keep the tension steady, and I'm checking the schematic now.
All right, it's clear here. Looks like the right connector. Go ahead and secure it.
Main power engaged. All stations report.
Electrical nominal.
Hydraulic cycling, pressure steady. Erector test successful.
Understood. Final verification complete.
Erection sequence complete. Confirm full height at 27.5 meters. System is operational.
See how I set the tolerance? Keep your hand steady. Go ahead.
Okay, I think I have it.
Good job. You got it.
Target designated. Tracking initiated.
Firing solution ready in 5 seconds.
Deploying the same system across diverse environments reflects our design philosophy of operational. From the factory floor to the furthest reaches of the atmosphere, our system stands ready.
After months of dedication, we are proud to formally present these completed systems. Mission accomplished.
This facility stands as the physical embodiment of our manufacturing capability. An ordinary exterior,
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from AEF conceptualization to EEO generation. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows our 2026 UT monetization rules.